Wonderful people of Biafra, great Biafrans, how are you doing today? You are welcome to Biafra Unite channel. Hope you are doing good, irrespective of what we are passing through in the hands of the government of the Zoological Republic of Nigeria. Hope you are doing good wherever you are listening for. I say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, irrespective of what is happening around you. You are welcome to this very news. We are not going to start as usual because we are in the mood of mourning. And we are boiling right here from the studio because of the comment of the so-called Igbo leaders and the way they are behaving and the way they have behaved since 23rd of August 2020 when the Nigeria, the Zoo military, Zoo police and Zoo DSS invaded community school in Emenek, shooting sporadically and killing a lot of our men when they were having peaceful meeting and praying to God Almighty for the restoration of the Republic of Biafra. Today we've gathered a very substantial information about the comment of one of the idiots that called himself Ohane.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Maureen TV show. My topic today is about what Nea Nwodo said about attacking indigenous of Biafra. The so-called leader of Ndi Igbo. What he said about attacking our people in Enugu on 23, being Sunday, this month, this August. He said indigenous of Biafra deserve what happened to them. That means you don't even want this thing called Biafra. Igbo people, why are you guys like this? Naya Nwodo, why are you like this? So you are not supporting Northern people to be killing indigenous of Igbo. Igbo, I said it, Igbo did not love themselves. Igbo don't love themselves. How can you open mouth and say Igbo people deserve what happens to them? They deserve what happens to them on Sunday. Just like that. Sharing nothing blood. Did the indigenous of Biafra attack Nigeria? Or rather Nigeria attack them where they are doing their own meeting. And all you have to say is to open your dirty stupid mouth and say that they deserve what happened to them. Oh, what a mess. Naya Nwodo, you are very, very, very useless father. You don't deserve to call Igbo man. You don't deserve to be a leader. You don't deserve to be in that seat. I wonder why Igbo still let you to be on that seat. You evil man. I wonder because I have been hearing a lot of things you used to say since where this thing started, since where Biafra declared freedom. I have hearing your stupid comment where you always make about Biafra. You are saying a lot of things, nonsense talk about this Biafra of a thing. You never utter a good word about Biafra, about this referendum, about freedom of Ndi Igbo. He never uttered a good word since where this thing started. All he used to say is Igbo deserve what happened to them. That you tell them to stop gathering. You tell them to stop talking about Biafra. You told them to stop talking about referendum. You tell them to stop talking anything concerning IPOB. You are a very wicked man. Waiting you sow, you will repeat very soon. You this Naya Nwodo or whatever you call yourself. Agadi Okwenka. Look at what you just opened your stupid mouth and said that Igbo people deserve what happened. What did Igbo to Nigeria? What did Igbo do to deserve this nonsense? Can you tell me what Igbo did to deserve this nonsense, to deserve this killing, to deserve this calamity? Only freedom, then declare freedom as not an abomination for a person to declare a freedom, ordinary freedom. and you open your stupid mouth and saying nonsense, you will go down very soon. I don't want to say more because I don't even get it. Igbo, wake up. Wake up and love